All right, so we have a smart screen with a dash camera. So this is the screen, a very nice size screen. It has the camera on the back. This is one way that you can adhere it to your dashboard. And this is the rear camera that you can actually put on the back of the car so you can see in the back of your car. And this is the wiring that connects to the screen. Okay, so you have 3 different ways you can put this on the dashboard or inside your car. So again, this is one way. Take this off, stick it right on your dashboard. You also have the suction that you can attach to it and put it on your window. Or you can use the same suction and use this piece to put it on the dashboard. And that way you have this arm that you still can use. So either way, you have options, which makes it really nice. So the installation of this screen is really easy. The adhesive is really strong and durable. So once you put it on there, stick it strong and you're all set to go. Make sure you clean your dashboard off as well. And you just plug in the power cord into the cigarette lighter to turn it on.
Here's the aux cable that you can use to connect whatever device you choose directly to the actual screen.
You can customize the language in this, so we select the English because that's what we speak. Many different functions. You have CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cast, Bluetooth music, so many different features. And once it's connected to your phone, you can see your contact list. You can make phone calls from this. Hey Siri, call John.
Calling John.
So hands-free calling is available as well. And you also can play your music. I play my Amazon music through this. And I love the front camera, the dash camera. It has loop recording, so it's constantly recording. This also provides 24-hour parking monitor. I love that you can screen mirror from your phone as well. As you see here, it works very, very nicely. And you can do split screen. So the split screen feature is so wonderful. I have my navigation on. I still have the camera on. Also, I can do the rear camera and the front camera at the same time. There's many different split screens that you can do with this. This is just amazing, perfect, and I absolutely love this dash cam.